going far away. Good morning, and we're back. Look what it looks like, it's back. Just trying to get it all nice and neat again. A couple of trimmings that I have to do here just to make it look smooth again. But yeah, it seems like the contact adhesive does stick it. It's a bit more tricky because you can't move it once it's on. And once it's on, it's fine.
Oh, well, that's a good thing.
Yeah, so this is how we got it here. I've just got to do that little piece at the bottom.
Okay.
But I'm doing it in sections, not the whole thing one shot.
So that you can push properly.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
it's
I
looking
like
good,
it.
babes.
I'm starting to like it
When
again.
it came down, it looked plain, hey? And now it's back up.
Starting
It's
to
looking
look good again.
I can feel a trip's coming soon.
Starting to feel like it should.
Is there a trip on the way soon?
I'm sure there is.
Yeah, I also feel like it.
I'm sure there is.
Yeah, it looks gorgeous again. I love it. It just finishes off everything.
Yeah. My point.
Yeah. So we're back to normal, Graham. Looking beautiful again.
We're getting there.
Yeah, it's looking beautiful. It actually just finishes off everything.
Yeah.
And I thought it would be too busy. That was my honest opinion in the very beginning.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful.
Yeah. That's my character.
Huh? Judge my character. What's your character about?
Boo.
Sorry, what did you say?
I think it's looking better than it did.
Can you feel there's a difference now?
Ah, yes, I can feel it's fast now.
What's those bubbles I can hear?
That's just the rest of the glue. I've got to roll it all down.
Ah,
but
okay.
it's tight.
Alright, so it's not going to pull off. Did you scrape it or not? The back?
I just gave it a bit of a sand. But
Okay.
But yeah, it should be alright.
Okay.
This glue stuck all the carpet to this stuff anyway. And
Yes.
that hasn't peeled off.
Yeah, okay.
So let's see what happens.
Okay. So it's looking good. I like it. And you put the corner in.
Yeah, this piece up here.
Yeah, I like it.
It's jointed nicely.
Very nice.
Okay, I think my job here is done.
Okay. So as you can see, we tested the computer in the cupboard. That is how we'll lie in bed and watch it. Our movies and YouTube, etc. I still love this table that Graham did in the van. It's so beautiful with my artwork on. It's just so gorgeous. So what is this freaky thing I've never seen here in Johannesburg? Never seen it. It is weird. Never seen this thing. Ever. First time. It's freaky, freaky, freaky. Sitting here on the grass.